Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create privacy policy page in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over and click on this add new page right here on your pages on your website dashboard. Now in here, it should be able to redirect you to the WordPress editor right here wherein you can actually choose templates as well as blank page. You can see in here the templates we have. So as of right now, we have in here the featured templates, but you can also choose one of the categories such as about, gallery, services, and all of these things right here. So you can actually scroll this down in order to see all of these things that you can use. But if you see that we don't have in here privacy policy, you can head over and then just click on this blank page right here. Then in here on the title, let's name this privacy policy. So just name this to your liking. Now in here, you can add in here a block if you want. Just head over and click on this add block. And then since we're actually talking about privacy policy, it's best to use a paragraph block for this one. So I actually asked ChatGPT to make me a privacy policy for my store. And it gave me this privacy policy right here. So just copy the effective date until the very end of this one. So as you can see, it's still responding. So once it's done to respond, you can head over and then copy it to your store right here. So I head over and then copy all of these things that ChatGPT has provided me right here. So once you have copied this, head over right here to your page and then just paste everything that you have copied in here. Now, it may take some time for this to actually be copied, but you can now see it right here and then just tweak it to your liking. So as of right now, you can see this welcome to, and then in here, just insert your store, also insert your URL and all of that. Head over and publish in order to publish this page that you have just created. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.